Hello children, welcome back to Class of Physics by Ashish Sharma sir, the easy and simple way to learn the concept of physics. The next topic which we are dealing with is temperature dependence of resistivity. In the previous video we have seen the temperature dependence of resistance. The resistivity of material of a conductor is given by this formula. Rho is equal to m upon Ne square tau. From this we can have this rho is proportional to 1 upon n tau. Okay, so what happens in case of different materials? Like when we talk about metals, okay, in metals, when we increase the temperature, the number density does not change. टेम्परेचर बढ़ाएंगे तो जो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम है दैट विल नॉट चेंज. द ओनली चेंज विल बी ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन टाइम, एवरेज रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. सो हियर n डज नॉट चेंज बट tau decreases, right, with increase in temperature. So when tau decreases with increase in temperature, since it is inversely proportional, average relaxation time is a decreasing, resistivity will increase. Okay, as in the resistance case we have derived one formula. Same formula you will find in case of resistivity also. The formula is for temperature coefficient of resistivity, right? So temperature coefficient of resistivity alpha here will be rho T minus rho original upon R naught del T. This is the formula for temperature coefficient of resistivity. So it is again, it can be defined as change or rise in resistivity. This is, this will, you will find rho naught. So this is change in resistivity per unit original resistivity per degree rise in temperature. Again its unit you will find per degree centigrade. So this alpha is temperature coefficient of resistivity. Okay, now we will talk about metals. When comes to metals, in metals alpha is positive, so therefore rho increases with increase in temperature. Temperature बढ़ाइए, resistivity will increase. Now we will take semiconductors. Semiconductors means like you will have silicon, germanium. So when we increase the temperature, you will find the covalent bond breaks. Outermost shell में जो electrons होंगे, जो charged particles होंगे, they will get freed. So when they are getting freed, you will find the number density increases because of breaking up of covalent bonds on increasing the temperature. But at the same time relaxation time decreases, but tau decreases. लेकिन इसमें यह होता है कि this increase in number density compensate more than decrease in tau, average relaxation time. So in semiconductors, when we increase the temperature, the resistivity decreases. Resistivity decreases with increase in temperature. Okay, the next one is insulators. In insulators, again resistivity decreases with increase in temperature. You will find alpha is negative there. Okay, the important one is alloys. Now alloys, in alloys like manganese, constantan, you can have nichrome, right? They are having high resistivity. Also you will find that alpha is independent of temperature. That means this rho is high. Because of these two reasons, they are used in making standard resistance coils. Okay, now we will see graphs of variation of resistivity with temperature in 2-3 cases. Like copper, good conductor, it increases, right? This type of graph you will find resistivity increases with temperature. In case of nichrome, which is an alloy, we are writing it as very low temperature coefficient. Low temperature coefficient means very small effect of temperature on resistivity of alloys. So you can see it is very small variation. Okay, in case of semiconductors, you will find it is exponentially decreasing. That is, resistivity is decreasing with increase in temperature. This finishes with our today's topic, that is effect of temperature on resistivity. I hope you like the video. Thank you everyone.